Good day everyone! For today's video guys, we will unboxing our new ceiling fan regulator. Let's go guys, let's unbox it. Okay guys, our new ceiling fan regulator by standard guys. Okay guys, this is our new ceiling fan regulator and this is the old. Let's go guys, let's change it. Okay guys, finish. Okay guys, our new ceiling fan regulator is attached here guys. Let's try. Okay guys, function well. Again guys, thank you very much to all of you for watching my vlogging video. Please guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And please don't forget to hit the notification bell button. Again guys, thank you very much to all of you. God bless you all. Good day everyone.